This could go terribly. Let's hope not, though. Just in case, got the Tesla there, because I got to rush myself to the hospital. But let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope this thing goes on without a hitch. Wish me luck. Find out next. Greetings, friends, and welcome to this week's video. I'm Chris, and I'm sure glad to have you here. Normally I ask for this at the end or near the end of a video, but I need your help. If you love this video, hit the subscribe button. If you hate this video, hit the button that starts with sub and ends with scribe. So I remember when I was a little kid, I would daydream about having a big house one day. I would take a napkin or a piece of paper, maybe a napkin like this. I would take a pen similar to this one, and I would draw these houses. And you know what I would always draw along with the house? A power gate. Ever since I was a little boy, it's been my dream that one day I would have a power gate. I might have used to draw this because I grew up poor. Until I was a teenager, we were poor. And guys, if I say I was poor growing up, Nereida, wow, Nereida made me look rich. Like, didn't have a bathroom in their home, didn't have running water, nothing. But we had love, and it's amazing. Sometimes when you're poor, you don't even know it till later, which is a good thing. That means your parents or your family is doing it right. So, for God to take her from where she was to here, and for me from where I was to here, we're just so thankful and grateful. This house has so far surpassed anything that Nereida and I could have hoped for, wished for, wanted for, or dreamed of. God took our dreams and knocked them out of the park with this place. So I thought it'd be super cool to follow through on the dream and have the gate as well. And I was like, one day, baby, one day we're gonna have a power gate, especially on this house. So that day is today. Check it out. I hope it doesn't hit me. Thank you, Jesus. Amazing. A dream, another dream come true. Love it. You can see those were just cemented in place. 4 feet in the ground. A lot of work. So I'm walking to the front gate to continue trying to install the motors. I got a helper. So obviously it's super important working here in the sun to stay hydrated. Porque agua es vida. There goes my little hottie. She's so sweet. She ran up here to give me water. Now she's running back. Love that one. With all my heart. Hyper tough. Hyper tough. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Hyper tough's leaking oil like a sieve. probably because that thing is uber tough. Uber tough. Sorry, hyper tough. We also put in a solar panel because we're so responsible. And just in case. So another super cool feature is not only can we use remotes, but we added the kit where you can actually use your phone. So all I have to do is open up my phone, hit the button, and the gate will open that way. So from anywhere in the world we can do that. It's pretty convenient. If we need to open it for you or for family or for FedEx or whatever it is, we'll be able to do that. All right, well, back to work for me. I need to go install the sensor, so that when vehicles leave, the gate will automatically open on the way out. That way you don't need a remote, we don't have to key anybody out. They can just always get out. Hopefully, little Christian on his tractor doesn't trigger this. I'm sure he won't. So the parts of today's video that look like this were just a sneak peek of the party room. The next video we do on the mansion will be this room. So you can see the befores, you can see the afters, and you can let us know what you think of what we did to the party room. Also, here's another little sneak peek now. We were so excited to have this room almost totally ready, and we were also so excited to have our first event in this house be the UFC fight for Khabib. If you don't know, Khabib is the best! He's our favorite, #1 pound for pound, hands down, MMA fighter in the world. So here's a little sneak peek of us watching him and his recent victory. After that, we kind of cried. We don't want to put that on video, too sad, as he retired. But he deserves it. Well, that's all for this week. Thanks for visiting the palace. We look forward to having you back soon.